guys, JT Builds, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cool little lawnmower. What you're going to need is a 2x3 Lego brick, 2 Lego wheels, a slope, a handle. How you're going to build it is get the 2x3 Lego brick, get one of the wheels, and put it on. Just like that. Now, put the other wheel on it. So there's a space for the slope. Put the slope on. And now all you need is a wheel. Cool thing about it is you can customize it. So if the handle's too big on it, you can get another handle and make it so it's the perfect size. The cool thing about this lawnmower is that it actually works. There you go. If you like this video, please leave a like. Hope you guys like this video and please subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Bye.